Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the recipe generation project using the food image. So basically it's a Python based project which uses Python as a backend along with the Flask framework of Python. In terms of database, we are using the SQLite database, and as far as the front end part is concerned, which is this dashboard part, we're using HTML, CSS and the Bootstrap framework to create this project. Now what this project is going to do, so first of all the user will have to upload any food image, and based on that this system will first of all identify what kind of dish is there, and then secondly it will generate the recipe, it will generate the complete recipe to make this dish. Now coming back to the front end side, so you are here, we are having the account creation facility, so where you can create the account, user can create his or her own account. In case user forgot the password, then the password can be retrieved from this page. Now here the user will have to answer the security question, and this question the user will have to submit at a time of registration. And if you're having the account, then simply you can go to the login page, and by simply filling your username and the password you can log into the portal. Now once you log in, the first page, that is the home page, will give us the complete overview of this particular project. Now here the technology used, what is the dataset source, algorithm and the framework of Python. So all these information along with the problem statement, conclusion, proposed solution, introduction to the project, so all these technical data will be displayed over here. The second page is very important, called dashboard. This actually represents the technical parameters and the technical dashboards for this project. For example, the what is the size of data set, then what is the size of the training data set, testing data set, also the accuracy of model, and also the accuracy curve, loss curve, and these are some technical parameters, along with the confusion matrix. Now confusion matrix represents the different categories. Now here if you consider this project, we are using 15 different classes or the categories, or 15 different dishes that we are going to identify. Now the user will have to upload the image. Now for example, I will click on this and then I will pick on this image or any image from this 15 different dishes, and then the user will have to do the prediction. So then the user will click on this predict button. So once I do this, then it will identify this dish, and then it will generate the recipe for this dish. Now in order to identify the dish, we are using the convolutional neural network algorithm, and in order to create the recipe, we are using ChatGPT at the backend side. So it has identified that this is Srikhand, and here is the recipe which is provided by the ChatGPT. So this way it is working. So that all these things are covered in this particular project, and at the end you can log out from the system. So that's the complete implementation of this project. In case you need any kind of code or support to implement this particular project, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.